Start. No. Velasco. Grabs the rebound on the left side. In the middle. No dribble pass. And makes the basket. 2-0. Foul. Velasco. Velasco. To number 6. Velasco takes the shot and makes the basket. All good. In the middle, Kev Chow. No. Number 13. Inside. Tapigan to number 6. No. Michelson Velasco on the left side, number 16. No good. Deal off. In the middle, inside, 2 points. Number 6. Good D. Rebounding number 13. Number 13. Inside. Easy 2 points. 6-2. Velasco. Piso. 4-6. Again. Oh. Power rebound. To the right side. Kept down. 3. Foul on the middle to number 6. Takes the shot. Paulo. Wow. 2 points. Inside Medaglia. 11-6. Wow. To number 16. No good. Rebounding number 7. Number 7 on the move. Up another and creates a foul. Putting himself in the free throw lane. Number 7. Mahinay. First throw. No. The second one.
Sarap ng food trip nyo kanina ni wife mo ah. Ano yun? Wala kang almusal yun. Rekta na, no?
Oh, yeah. Velasco naman. Simbang. Deal off inside. Traveling violation.
Traffic pa si Lebron.
Oh, the advantage.
Wala ba si Peter?
Oh. Good job. Score that at 46. Itong little drop. Inside pass. Ganda. 2 points. Sampu. 16-6. Velasco. Studiolo. Inside the ball foul. Back on the gray shirt. All good. Velasco. Same ball. Basket. Change court. Foul. No. Rebound number 2. Banyares scores. Brigades of foul. Banyares. Change score. Dito na sa kapila kayo. Side ball. Down foul. Ilan charge. Banyares ang bola. Second goal. What a shot! 2 points. 86. Inside, no. Rebounding number 2. Back to number 7. Number 7. 2 points. Last 4 minutes in the game. Takes the shot. No good. What a rebound. Inside. Oh, what a pass. How about that pass? 6. Number 6. 8-22. Number 2, Pañales. Good job. Back to number 7. Takes the shot. No. Rebound yung Velasco. Back to break. Wow. Hindi magkilala. Back to Velasco. Nowhere to go. Tumaw-baw sa goal. Rejected by number 7. Back to Velasco. Velasco inside. 2 points. What a play